My name is Emily. I'm 33 years old, and I'm the proud mother of three beautiful daughters, Lily, Sophie, and Mia. They are my entire world. I love them more than anything. Life hasn't been easy for me. I lost my mother when I was young. And when our youngest daughter was just a baby, my husband left us. He walked out and never came back. No phone calls, no money, not even a message. He simply forgot about us. Since then, I've been on my own, raising my three girls without any help. No family, no big house, no savings, just a small apartment and endless monthly bills. I don't have a college degree. I don't have a stable job. I don't have many choices, but I have strength. And I never give up. I work as a taxi driver. I don't own a car. I rent one every month. I pay the fee, then drive all day and night, picking up passengers. Some are kind, some are rude, and some don't even pay. But I keep going because I have no choice. I need money to buy food, to pay rent, to get clothes for my daughters. I work when I'm sick. I work when I'm tired. I work even when I want to cry. And some nights, when everything is quiet, I sit beside my daughters as they sleep. I watch their peaceful little faces. I hold their small hands. I kiss their foreheads and whisper, "I love you." I dream of giving them a life I never had. A happy life, a full life. But life can be cruel. One cold evening, I was driving my daughters home. The weather was terrible. Dark skies, pouring rain, icy roads. Lily sat beside me in the front. Sophie and little Mia, just 5 years old, sat in the back. "Mama, I'm cold," Mia said, her voice soft and tired. "I know, sweetheart," I replied. "We'll be home soon." I turned on the heater, but the car was still freezing. The road was empty, the street lights dim. My hands trembled as I gripped the steering wheel. Then, suddenly, a blinding light, a crash. Pain. And then darkness. When I opened my eyes, I saw a white ceiling, heard beeping sounds, smelled medicine. I was in the hospital. My body hurt. My head was heavy. My arms weak. Then it hit me. The accident. My daughters. Where were they? I tried to speak, but my throat was dry. Lily, Sophie, Mia. I whispered. A nurse came over. She had kind eyes. She held my hand. "Don't move too much," she said gently. "You were in a bad accident." My daughters? I asked. "They're here. They're safe." Tears filled my eyes. "I want to see them," I whispered. A few minutes later, the door opened. 3 small figures ran into the room. "Mama." They cried. They hugged me, kissed my face, held my hands. I cried and held them as tightly as I could. Then the doctor came in. His face was serious. You have a broken leg, he said. You need surgery. You'll need time to heal. Panic rushed over me, but I can't rest. I have to work. I have to pay rent. I have to feed my kids. He looked at me sadly. You need to heal, he repeated. Then I remembered something even worse. The car. The rented car was destroyed, and even worse, I had hit a luxury car. The owner demanded $20,000 in damages. I had nothing. I broke down, covering my face with my hands. My daughters cried beside me. I was completely lost. No hope, no way out. But then something happened. Something I never expected. My story spread online.
Strangers saw pictures of my daughters.
They read about our struggles, and then kindness appeared. People from all over began sending money, wanting to help. And one day, I got a phone call. A deep voice said, I heard your story. I want to help. Who are you? I asked. You'll see soon, he replied. 2 days later, a group of people came to the hospital. They brought flowers, warm clothes for my girls. And then a young man walked in. He had kind eyes and a gentle smile. You don't know me, he said. But I know you. Why are you doing this? I asked. Because I can, he said simply. I started crying. I don't know what to say. You don't have to say anything, he whispered. Days later, his team paid my medical bills. Every cent. But that wasn't all. One day, they took me and my daughters to a new place, a house, a big, beautiful house. This is for you, they said. For me? I asked in disbelief. Yes, you don't have to pay rent anymore. This is your home. I fell to my knees, sobbing. My daughters hugged me. Is this real? I whispered. Yes, they said. It's real. Then one day, that same young man asked me, what is your biggest dream? Through my tears, I said, I want to open a supermarket. He smiled. Then let's make it happen, and we did. A few months later, I opened my own store. It had fresh fruit, warm bread, smiling customers, and a proud owner. I was no longer a struggling taxi driver. No longer a desperate single mother. I was a businesswoman. I was strong. I was free. And I was happy. I will never forget that young man. He changed my life. He showed me something powerful. Kindness is real. Hope is real. And yes, miracles are real. I started with nothing. Now I have everything. A home, a purpose, and most importantly, a happy family. Thank you, my dear subscriber, for being here with me. Your support means the world. I hope this story touched your heart. And remember, no matter how hard life gets, kindness and hope can change everything. Stay strong. Believe in good people. And never stop dreaming. If this story inspired you, don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe. More emotional and inspiring stories are coming soon. Take care and see you in the next story.